Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Time for another fragrance review from Lattafa. This is Mahir Black Edition. And I will tell you right now, the title of this review should be Can You Handle the Smoke? Because this is a smoke bomb. I blind bought this from Burlington Coat Factory because I was like, ooh, I've seen Mahir Legacy. I'll bet it's like that. It's not like that. This is a smoke bomb, folks. That's what this is. It is a smoky fragrance. It is not a blind buy safe fragrance. Ironically, though, my wife ended up liking it, but it is just an intense smoke bomb kind of fragrance. It's very interesting, very cool. It is not a mass appealing fragrance. It was $24.99 at Burlington. You see right there. Just me showing off how much I had to pay for it. But yeah, do I regret buying it? Not one bit. I love the bottle. Honestly, I bought it 90% for the bottle. I was like, if I like the smell, that's even a bonus. But it just looks cool on my shelf. But overall, great presentation. Looks really good in the package. The bottle feels like you could just knock somebody out cold with it. It must weigh a pound. It's very well constructed. So 10 out of 10 on the presentation. Boxing, everything else looks great. Wrapped up in that pretty little bow right there. It just looks amazing. Now, from this point on, let's just talk quickly about the smell. It is peppery. It is woody. It's heavy on the black pepper in the opening. The best way I can describe this is when I say it's smoky, I mean it's like oak wood burning in a fire pit in your backyard at a barbecue, that kind of thing, where you're just enjoying the fire. It's that kind of smell. If you want another kind of association that you're trying to like pick out here, if you've ever been camping and you burn wood in a fire for a long time, you sit by the fire and your clothes kind of get that smoke in it, and then the next day it kind of smells like that, that's the smell. That's the initial burst of scent from the first few sprays. It is smoky, and it is well done, and it smells natural, which is the other strange thing. It's not like a synthetic burning kind of chemically smell. This really does smell legitimately like oak charcoal mixed together in this very just interesting bouquet of scents, and it's just really kind of amazing what they're able to do. It is not a scent for everybody. It is not mass appealing. The dry down is a little sweeter. They put in the notes breakdown on Fragrantica, it includes rhubarb, which to me is just like a very sweet, subtly sweet kind of cinnamon kind of smell, and that's what you get on the dry down. But man, that opening, I will tell you right now, I would say as far as, one, they mark this as unisex. That's insane. This is a male scent. There's no woman who's going to be like, I want to smell like a campfire today. That's not what they're going for. I will also say this. This is one of those smells that your partner better be okay with, because if you put this on and they don't like it, they're not going to suddenly start. If you're a young man, don't wear this to school. Don't wear this to your college classes. This is a very profoundly mature scent. It's truly interesting. It's interesting they were able to do it. It's almost like a flex by Lattafa and their perfumers, because it really is like, it's almost like a, hey, look what I can do. It was such an interesting smell. I've never smelled anything like it that wasn't just a natural fire or a campfire kind of smell to it, or like someone grilling with charcoal. But in the best way possible, like the most pleasant way possible. It's not an acidic, smoky smell. It smells like wood and, again, pepper. It just really is an amazing thing they accomplished here with this. It's, again, not mass appealing. It's very, very niche who's going to want to have this. But if you are that kind of person who's like, I love interesting, smoky, dark smells, this is right up there for you. And you can say you tried it and wore it. And every now and then, like when that dry down does happen, that little bit of smoky sweetness from that rhubarb they got in there, it is very, very interesting, even appealing to the right person. But I will point this out. If you try to just throw on like 3 sprays before you walk in the office, you might risk offending some people with the smell, because it is very, very smoky. So, the 2 questions. Can you handle the smoke, and can the people around you handle the smoke? That is kind of what we're dealing with here with this beautifully crafted horse-headed cologne from Lattafa. But yeah, overall, I don't regret buying this one bit, because it's interesting and it's a smell I'd never thought I'd smell like this on a cologne. So overall, I rate it like 7 out of 10, maybe 2 out of 10 for usefulness, but 7 out of 10 for just interesting, non-typical cologne scents and fragrances.